Hello guys, here's the video for guys you how to set up the price for the standalone vending machine. And first you need to turn on the machine and then open the door. Then you will see the vending machine main board here. You will see 3 or 5 buttons, but it's the same. Then press the second one, this one. Then you hear the sound like this, and then you will see the configuration part here. And then first, this one is the confirm button, and this one is the turn back or clean button. And the 8 and the 0 is up and down. Then press the down to the single price setting, okay? And then click enter to the single price setting, and then enter again to the first line, and then set up the price. But before you set up the price, you can click first, and then like if I set up 10 for the first line, and then confirm. Okay, like 10, and then confirm again. Okay, then turn to the second one, to the second line, and then set up the price like 20.0. Okay, confirm, and then confirm again, and then to the third line, like 30. Okay, and then to the that's okay.